Is it possible to go on a ride that something doesn't break? If you have a Kawasaki, like you see this one, see this one, every time you go on a ride something breaks. First, as always, we have to take off the plastics. Let's go. So we are taking off this. I'm taking this plastics off like for the millionth time. This one has like 1,000,000 threads inside because it's holding this plastic here inside. And now after you did this, you remove this one. This off. Try to show you. You have to take this off, and also you have to unplug the fuel pump. And a little tip: grab a rag because there's going to be some fuel everywhere. But it's easier when you lift this a little bit. And it's easier to take it off, but I need 2 hands. Okay, I did some things behind the camera because it was taking too long. We removed the plastics here, unscrewed this and this one that's holding the carb inside. Also, a tip is to remove this one. Also, remove this one. You take off the exhaust because it's easier that way. You lift it like this, and what you get is, see, the airbox slips out of the carb, so it's easier to get it out. Also, the other thing is you have to remove this bracket. It goes like this because it's easier then now to have space, so you can put your hand inside and grab the carb. The other thing is to take out the connector to the injector. I found out it's easier if you get some pliers like this. It's kind of hard to like film with one hand and do this. You see? You don't see shit. You grab it like this and just pull it out. Let me show you why I am replacing the throttle cable. You see? That's why I am replacing the throttle cable. And now we have to wiggle it inside. You have to wiggle it left and right somehow to get it inside. This side. Almost. It's almost in. You can pull this up a bit so you can get more room inside. And now it's easier. So he's inside here in this rubber thing. We got it inside, and now we have to get it in the other side. This back inside, you can like open it like this and just wiggle it into its place. And that's pretty much it. So we have to go and take a ride, and probably something else is going to break because this is
Kawasaki.
Thank you, and see you in the next video.